ratchet too, because last time you messed up, so I'm doing it all over again.
What up? This is your boy Emmanuel and follow me on Twitter at underscore coaster, my little brother at Alright now. And today, this video is gonna talk. I'm gonna tell you about how ratchet girls.
You don't talk about the house like that. She is doing the most. She is doing the most. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Cause she ratchet. Give me phone. I'm about to take this cat pitch. She ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause she ratchet. See, I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. See, you ratchet. Boy, bye. Now with them laces on. You ratchet? Oh, I just wanna punch her in her fat. Oh, she ratchet. I can't stand her. Oh, she too fat. Girl, let me tell you where I got my Mr. Girl, what up, baby boy? And it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant. But I still hit the club in the middle of the floor. No shoes. What's up? I had to get kids today. Not buy the jeans for a boost. I had to get look good. My baby did just pay bills. Here, thug, here, shoes today. New back, new shoes today. Check for a check it till today. Got them just today. Girl, if you good to know you, gonna beef it up. Move, get out my way, the 15, I got my fools. She got brand new piercing, with brand new tax. $95 for this weed, plus tax, foul. Anything up with smack me down, no red hair, this can't allow. Thinking that you better than I am, but if you think I'm stupid, whatever, she a lie. My number, boy, bye. What's wrong with you? Be quiet. Hey girl, you looking good. I'm seeing this just so when get it. Oh, we'll talk to you later. Bye. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet? Her lace front is all wrong because she ratchet. Give me the phone. I'm about to take this half pitch. She ratchet, got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter cause she ratchet. So I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. So you ratchet. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Was you ratchet? Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. Ooh, she ratchet. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fat. She ratchet. My name is Emmanuel, but them girlfriends call me Carly. The club is full of Liverpool, and then we bond. Yes, I am the baddest. You can't have this boo boo. Sorry, cause 2 Chainz is my future baby. Yeah. Molly got my jersey dressed on. Try to hit match my press on. Team or skin. We don't like them red bone. Look at me on Twitter. Look at me on Twitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. Our team Bob, team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's team shut it down. Our team bad chick. Team with your man. It even got a lot of money. Then his team getting paid. It's like, well, he should. Mm, what's wrong with her? She's too tight. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet? Her lace front is all wrong because she ratchet. Give me phone. About to take this heifer picture. Got it. About to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with the shoes on. Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face. Ooh, she ratchet. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fast.